Hi guys, I just hope you are enjoying watching my videos. Make sure that you pay attention to how I do my pocket. This is how you cut and this is how you sew a pocket. Make sure you pay attention and watch till the end how the pocket will be and how to make a pocket. Without this, definitely your pocket won't be perfect. Make sure you pay attention to this and make your pocket quickly. This is an inside back pocket, guys. This is how you do a pocket. So the measurements that I'm doing, pay attention to them so that you can be perfect too. This is a very correct measurement. Everyone is using this measurement that I'm using right here so that the pocket can be deep enough. So if your pocket is not deep enough, then your back pocket is not correct. So your back pocket should be deep enough. So that is why hence I measured 50 centimeter from up to going down there so that my pocket can be deep enough. So now I cut a piece where I'll be making a back pocket. This is a piece that I will be making a back pocket with. Yes guys, you can use any piece as long as it matches. Make sure that your fabric it matches to the fabric that you used to make a pocket with and you used to make a pants with or any garments that you are making, especially when you are making this pocket. Make sure that you understand how I do these things. So now as I measured 50 centimeter going down and measured 16 centimeter from side to side. So now guys, make sure now you pay attention to this. And without this guys, I'm telling you, your pocket won't be 100% correct. So with this, definitely your pocket will be 100% correct. As you see now, I cut. This is how I cut. I cut 16 centimeter from side to side, from the right side to the left side, or from the left side to the right side. So now make sure that you enjoy. Look guys, this is very easy. If you pay attention to this, definitely your pocket won't be wrong. You can see. So now I'm showing you how to make a pocket. Look at this measurement, are very correct. You can never miss on these ones. Make sure that you pay attention. So now you're gonna be measuring 8 centimeter from up waist to where the pocket will start, and 8 centimeter again from the center line of the back pocket of the back part, or a back piece of a pattern that you are using, or a back piece that you cut to make a back side of the pants that you are making. Make sure that you pay attention to how I do it. You measure 8 centimeter from that center line. You measure 8 centimeter going to where the pocket will be placed, and you measure again from the side seam 8 centimeter again. 8 centimeter from 8 centimeter from the side seam to where the pocket will be placed. Make sure you pay attention guys. With this, definitely you will hit the correct spot. So now as you can see, it's up to you how to do it. It's either you do it on the back side of the or the body part that you cut, or you draw it on the piece that you cut. Me, I prefer both, but now I'm gonna be showing you how to do it on the piece that you cut. So now you're gonna stitch the rectangular part there. So then after stitching the rectangular part, you're gonna be marking there. What you do is to mark 1 centimeter on the side and 1 centimeter on the side, so that you can be able to form all those ears. And after forming all those ears, and you're gonna be measuring 1 centimeter again, going to the center line where you will be cutting a pocket. So those ears will be, you will have to make them neat. You have to make them neat so that they can be able to be stitched. So after that, you gonna be as you do that, you have to draw. Don't forget to draw. Make sure that you draw, so that everything can be perfect. So after doing that, you're gonna have to stitch rectangular shape. After stitching a rectangular shape, everything gonna be fine. You stitch all those ears side. Then after stitching all those ears side, you're gonna be able to see all the sides and all the mistakes if they are there. But you won't make any mistakes if you follow my instructions very well. So make sure that you check this and check my other videos. I will be teaching you more on this, how to make a back pocket, how to alter, and how to iron. So now after doing that, you're gonna have to cut all those things that you marked, the ears that you marked and the center line that you marked. You cut it exactly the way you marked with your chalk. So make sure that you cut that. Then after doing that, you're gonna put the piece that you stitched going inside from where the hole is. You put it inside, from outside to inside. You put it inside so that now you form a pocket. You make sure everything that you are watching is very perfect and everything that you are doing is very perfect, so that your pocket can be perfect. As you can see now, you see I haven't even stitched. I haven't even started stitching. Look at this. I haven't even started stitching, but already now I can see a way. Guys, if you do this, definitely your pocket will direct you exactly the way you want it. So after turning that, you can see now you're gonna stitch on the sides there. Then after stitching on the sides of the ears, now you're gonna be stitching on the sides of the piece that you placed to form a pocket. If you do this, definitely your pocket will be 100% correct, I guarantee. Guys, please comment and subscribe, and don't forget to follow, and don't forget to share the my teachings to your friends, so that they can see how to make this pocket. You can see this pocket is 100% sure. Look at this, is perfect. Like, it's perfect. You don't need to do anything. Imagine if after doing this and you iron it, like, it's gonna be 100% correct. Guys, this is how you do a back inside pocket. Guys, make sure you pay attention to all these details so that your pocket can be correct. So now I used the piece so that you can see how to do it, but you're gonna be doing it on a pocket. Make sure that everything is correct. Please don't forget to watch my videos and subscribe, and please watch. I'm gonna be posting other things, guys, and I'm gonna be posting on other videos. Love you guys, and see you next.